Hi, everybody. This is Peter Melvin, Vice President here at SoundTube, and I am with
Sarah Chauvin, Director of Pre-Sales Engineering and Training, also at SoundTube.
So, Sarah, one of the things we talk about a lot here, especially over the last year, is how do we make things simple, right? And so we're referring to that as SoundTube Simple. When we look at whatever we're doing operationally to support the industry, we want it to be SoundTube Simple. We want it to be easy to explain. We want it to be easy to do. We want less hands in the basket. We want to have clear communication. And I think there's one thing here that you have created and you have done with your expertise in regards to design services here at SoundTube. One of the things that you've led the charge of is designing on behalf of integrators and really created a really simple place for people to go to for design services. So I want you to talk to me today and to our audience, whoever that is in the AV world or outside of it. What makes design services SoundTube Simple, coming from you, the one who leads it for our organization?
Yeah, absolutely. So let's just start with even just submitting a design. One of the things we want to do here in this department is make it as simple and easy as possible. So there is no ticketing system, there is no queue, there's no waiting, there's no forms to fill. It's literally just an email to designs@soundtube.com to help receive design assistance for any of your projects. So yeah, we understand, particularly a lot of our customers, they're dealing with multiple different vendors, different products. They have to remember thousands upon thousands of SKUs. We're never going to ask you to do that on our behalf. We want to be simple and make using SoundTube simple.
Yeah, I love that. One email address goes to the team, and then the team will come back to you if they need additional information. And then what kind of time response until they actually have some sort of design once you have the information you need with you and your team?
We turn everything around within 24 to 48 hours because we want to make our design services, again, simple to use, which means you don't have to wait, you don't have to check up. We want to be a true partner and provide that partnership and make it as simple and easy as possible.
I get a design back in 24 to 48 hours. Now, if I've never used that service with SoundTube before, what am I getting back, in that 24 to 48 hour period so that I understand why I'm using the service with SoundTube?
Yeah, so you are getting ease documentation that has also been simplified and easy to read. So we go through and we edit all of the mapping and all of the speaker specifications as far as wattage per speaker, what the hang height is. We take all of that information that ease generally spits out and we put it into one line item to make it as simple and easy to read as possible. So you receive all of that information. You also receive direct SPL mapping and relative SPL mapping in a very sleek, easy to read format that you can include into your proposals to help set expectations for the systems you're designing or we're designing.
And there it is, folks. That's SoundTube Simple. One email address, fast responses, and then the information you need from our experts so that you can use SoundTube in your projects. I think that's great. That sounds pretty SoundTube Simple to me.
I think that sounds really SoundTube Simple.
Yeah. Thanks, Sarah. Thanks for allowing me to get educated on these design service solutions from you and your squad. And thank you for everything you do here at SoundTube every day.
Thank you, Peter.